The Village Board of Trustees to order. Clerk, will you please call the roll?
Trustee Pashtma.
Here.
Trustee Braden.
Here.
Trustee Siffler.
Here.
Trustee Fisher.
Here.
Trustee Burns. Trustee Banky.
Here.
Thank you. We have a quorum. I ask everyone to please rise and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you. Next item on our agenda is the approval of minutes. May I have a motion to approve the minutes of the regular meeting held on September 16th, 2025?
So moved.
Second.
We have a motion and a second. Any questions, additions, corrections? Seeing none, roll call, please.
Trustee Pashtma.
Aye.
Trustee Braden.
Aye.
Trustee Siffler.
Aye.
Trustee Fisher.
Aye.
Trustee Burns. Trustee Banky.
Aye.
Thank you. The minutes are approved. Moving on to item 4, which is Village President's Report. I'd first like to begin tonight by addressing an incident that took place last week in the village's central business district. On Monday, September 29th at approximately 1:15 p.m., a vehicle backing out of a parking space on Village Place crossed the alley and struck two individuals who were seated on a bench. Although the collision occurred at low speed, both individuals sustained serious but non-life-threatening injuries. The safety of our residents, visitors, and everyone else who comes to our village remains a top priority. We will continue to work with our public safety officials to review and respond appropriately. Before we begin the formal agenda, I would like to share a few other important highlights. First, this evening, the board will consider entering into an agreement with Upland Design for the development of a park comprehensive and strategic master plan, which will serve as a long-term guide for future park improvements and community engagement strategies. This plan will help ensure that our park system continues to reflect the evolving needs and priorities of Hinsdale residents to come. Also on tonight's agenda is an intergovernmental agreement between DuPage Public Safety Communications, otherwise known as DUCOM, and the Emergency Telephone System Board of DuPage County, or ETSB, to continue the village's participation in DuPage County Safety Interoperable Communication System. Hinsdale relies on DUCOM for fire and radio dispatch services, while our first responders manage on-scene communications with other agencies. This partnership is essential to maintaining the strong, coordinated emergency response that keeps our community safe. Now I'd like to take a moment to highlight a few recent and upcoming community events that took place.